What if I told you your 9-to-5 job could be done by a tool that costs less than your lunch? Artificial intelligence isn't coming for your job. It's already here. But the real question is, are you adapting or being replaced? In 2025, we've crossed the line where AI is not just supporting jobs, it's taking them. Administrative roles? Automated. Copywriters and marketers? I can now write 100 ads in 10 seconds. Designers? Tools like Leonardo AI are creating visuals without touching a pen. Video editors? Platforms like Opus Clip, Pictory, and InVideo AI now do it while you sleep. Even customer support, research, and data analysis are handled by AI, faster, cheaper, and often better. Let's break it down. Here are AI tools replacing 9-to-5 jobs in seconds. ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, writing emails, content, code, and doing customer support. Perplexity AI, real-time research with sources, way better than Google. 11 Labs, clones human voices with creepy accuracy. Murph AI, generates professional voiceovers in over 20 languages. Runway, Pictory, and InVideo AI, edit, script, and generate videos without a human editor. Notion AI, plans, organizes, and writes for you. Tome and Gamma, make stunning pitch decks without ever opening PowerPoint. These aren't futuristic predictions. They're browser tabs replacing paychecks. According to the World Economic Forum, 85 million jobs will be displaced by automation by 2025. These include entry-level analysts, content writers, hour coordinators, data entry staff, sales support teams. Even junior developers and digital marketers are at risk. If your job is repetitive, rule-based, or software-based, AI is already watching. But here's the good news: AI won't kill jobs. It will kill job descriptions. People who use AI will replace those who don't. Learn how to write better prompts. Master AI tools in your industry. Become the AI-augmented version of your role. And focus on what machines can't do: strategy, creativity, leadership. Stop competing with AI, start collaborating with it. I won't wait for you to catch up. So don't get replaced, get ahead. Subscribe to AI Pedia for tools, tips, and tutorials that help you stay future-proof. New videos every day. Your job may be automated, but your future doesn't have to be.